Welcome to your yoga practice. This video is specifically for when you are feeling really overwhelmed and exhausted and you just need something to help yourself feel a little bit better. Overwhelmment comes in two flavors. The first one is you are so energized, you cannot unwind, you cannot sit still. There's just all this energy inside of you. And the other flavor is you are so exhausted, you don't want to do anything. You can't even imagine getting up off the couch. Well, I have a video for each one. So I want you to just check in with your body right now and say, overwhelmed, am I energized, or am I exhausted? And you can pick the video you need. I will link to the other one here so you can go to that one. This video is specifically for when you are so exhausted you can't get off the couch. So this is just a little something to help you unwind and help you relax. Now, I specifically wanted to make these videos super short because one of the things that goes along with overwhelmment is not feeling like you have any time. And I want you to first of all feel how good you can feel with just 10 minutes of time for yourself. But also, if you want longer videos, comment below. Let me know. I'm happy to create some longer practices for you. Now, essential oils are incredibly powerful for this sort of support. So I will link below to some of my very favorite relaxation oils. I definitely recommend getting a little something going in your diffuser that helps you relax even more deeply. So if you're ready, let's get to your yoga practice. For today's practice, you don't need any props at all. So let's get into it. You're going to start at the back of your mat in child's pose. So for this one, I want you to separate your knees slightly. Draw your belly in and round your spine a little bit as you come all the way back into full child. Hands back by the feet. Let your shoulders relax. Feel your breath in your belly. Tap into your breath. Begin to slow it down. Make it a little longer. And then bring your arms up and overhead. And you're just going to reach through those arms a little bit. Keep your shoulder blades down your back. Press your palms into the floor just a little. You're getting this lovely stretch through your shoulders. Breathe. Come up onto all fours. Bring your knees in so they're hip width apart. And you're going to inhale, arc up. And lead with your sit bone as you come back. You're still arcing up, sitting back into a more active extended child. Then draw the belly button in and round your lower back as you come up. And again, lift up, arc up, lead with the sit bones, take it back. Keep going with this series. Just undulate through the spine, releasing some of the tension you have built up in there. On your next extended child's hold, and this is an active extended child, so hips are up, palms are pressing. Just getting a little bit more of an active stretch now through the shoulders, into the chest. And then come on up into all fours, so walk your knees up. Separate your knees slightly. Put your left hand in the space between your hands. We are going to do pumping table twist, which helps release that tension between your shoulder blades. Now, there are some options here depending on how your shoulder feels. So first of all, press down through your left hand, bring your right arm up, and open across the heart. Feel the squeeze between the shoulder blades. If this hurts your shoulder, you can do this series by bringing your hand to your shoulder. So just notice how it feels. And then you're going to come down, do thread the needle, but don't touch down. Come right back up, feel the squeeze, and then come down. And you can go whatever pace feels good for you. So if I'm going too fast for you, you can slow it down. You definitely don't need to go faster. We are just pumping up the upper back here. Last one, finish in threaded needle and hold here. Come up onto your left fingertips, open that left shoulder as you gently square your hips. And breathe. And then come on up and we'll do the other side. So this time right hand is in the middle, and again we'll do a slow one to start. So opening up the chest, bring that left arm up, squeeze the shoulder blades together, test the shoulders, see how it feels. Go for the option if you need to. And then come down. Without touching down, come right back up and take it down. Find the pace that feels good for you. Keep breathing. Last one, finish and thread the needle. Come up onto your right fingertips, open the top shoulders, you gently square your hips. Breathe. And then come back up, back into table. Bring your right foot up between your hands for a lunge. Release the hips forward, lift up, and breathe. Feel the stretch through the front of your thigh and your hip. Take the foot out to the side slightly, bring both hands to the inside, turn the foot out to the side slightly, and tip out to the edge of your foot as you let the right knee drop out and just sink down onto your left side a little bit. Breathe. Come back up. Step your back foot up for ragdoll. Elbows on the knees to start. Let your head release. Let the back muscles move up toward your head. As you relax, even letting your shoulders shrug. And you can stay here or take the fingertips to the floor, making sure your belly is resting on your thighs. You can stay here or grab your elbows. Let your back release. This is where we carry so much tension, and ragdoll is just an ideal pose to begin to release that. Hands come down. Step your right foot back, lunge series to the other side. Drop your back knee and release the hips forward. Breathe. Take your hands to the inside of the foot, taking your foot out to the side slightly. Turn it out a little bit, and then rock to the outer side of the foot as you let your right hip sink down a little bit. I usually come up onto my knuckles here to protect my wrists. You can also come down onto an elbow if you need to, or use your block. Come back through the center, step your foot back. And separate your knees slightly back into child's pose. You're going to round all the way up. Come back. Arms back by the feet, and just let your shoulder blades fall apart as you sink down into the floor. Breathing into your back body, letting go. And then come on up. Have a seat. And take a moment to notice how you feel. Even just a little bit more refreshed is fantastic. So if you enjoyed this practice, you might also enjoy, I have a whole series of 10-minute videos for my Tired AF Yoga series, and it's in a playlist. I will link below for it so you can check it out for yourself. Take care of yourself right now. Make sure you are getting rid of the stress building up into your body as often as you can. It makes a difference. Hey, if you'd like a little bit more, I do teach live virtual classes online. I will link below to my schedule, and you can check out for your first class free if you want. Look forward to seeing you in class. We'll see you in the next video.